从前有2块年糕粘在一起，几经辛苦，它们终于分开了。他们兴奋地说 "Yeah, give me 5." 于是他们又粘在一起。When you look at the Chinese character, it's actually a picture of what it means and sometimes includes how it sounds. Gao in Chinese means cakes. In the old times, cakes are usually made in rice, so the left side part is a character of rice. And the right side part suggests the sound Gao. Men means more than one person. And the left side part is a person with 2 legs walking, of course. And the right side part is the sound men. If you look at this character, separate, 分, the lower part is the character of a knife. And the upper part is a character, let's say it was a person with 2 legs. Imagine a sharp knife waving towards between your legs. Now you are separated. Look at this character, 奋, excitement. The upper part is the character of big. The lower part is the character field or land. If I had a big land, I would be excited too. Thank you.